on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. And look, if you're not getting paid from your receipts, you are missing out on a free opportunity to make money. It's just that simple. This app right here is going to allow you to get paid for taking pictures of receipts, and you can cash out at a very minimum of $1. So I'm going to show you how it works. All you have to do here is push scan and take a full picture of your receipt, and they will pay you at the very minimum 2 cents for every receipt that you take. You just submit it, and right there you've been credited 2 cents for that. So now my balance goes up to 193. I had 191. It's just that simple. You just want to make sure that your receipt is clearly seen, that it's within the past 2 weeks, and that's all it really has to be done. Just making sure it's from a store. But you see here, same thing. This one I'm taking a picture of, and you see this one, I got 3 cents. So there's sometimes you'll make, like I said, at the very minimum 2 cents, but it can go up to, I think the highest I've gotten paid is 25 cents. I don't know what determines how much you get paid per receipt, but I do know you'll get a very minimum of 2%. So that's just how it works. So I'm going to do another one because I actually have 4 receipts here. Just making sure the full receipt is shown, taking a picture of it, submitting it. And I like how they just credit you right there on the spot, and your money goes instantly into your balance. So now I have 199. And you'll see after every time you take a picture of a receipt, it'll show some kind of ad. All you have to do is exit out of that. They don't, require you to buy anything, but, it's just how they make money with the site, I guess. So another one, and this one I got 3 cents as well. So that's just how it goes. Another ad will pop up. I just click, I back out of that. And now I have $2.02. So like I said, you can cash out at a minimum of $1. The best way to do that for the $1 is Zelle. You just put it right in your bank account. You can also do PayPal and Amazon gift cards. But I believe, I'm not sure, because I've done PayPal before, and the minimum for that was $10, but I've never done the Amazon gift card. But I do know for Zelle, all you need is $1. So if you don't have Zelle, you can always choose PayPal or Amazon, but just know the cash out threshold is a little bit higher. So if you're not signed up for this app, the link to it is in the description. Sign up. It is completely free, and just take pictures of every receipt that you have. Any receipt that you see, take a picture of it, get credited, and cash it out. It's just that easy. So get started with it today. Link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.